The Generac 9400 dual-fuel generator is an excellent choice for those seeking versatility, offering the convenience to switch between gasoline and propane fuels effortlessly. With a robust output of 9,400 starting watts and 7,500 running watts on gasoline, it provides ample power for both home backup and job site needs. This generator is equipped with COsense technology, which is a crucial safety feature that alerts users to dangerous carbon monoxide levels, ensuring peace of mind during operation. The Generac 9400 features a durable steel frame and a user-friendly design with integrated wheels and handles, making transportation and setup straightforward and hassle-free. Its long-lasting OHV engine, combined with a 7.9-gallon fuel tank, allows for extended operation, delivering up to 10 hours of runtime at 50% load on gasoline. The built-in hour meter and low oil shutdown feature contribute to easy maintenance, ensuring the generator remains in optimal condition for years of reliable performance.